The other thing, and this is, if you're a blog reader, you're probably familiar with, but you can use PowerPoint to create e-learning courses. So in this case, these are some examples. I work for Articulate, so we're using Articulate Presenter, but it's a PowerPoint to Flash product, and then you'll have the product installed, and when you hit publish, what it's basically doing is this right here is your slide area, these two things here, and it's going to create the player structure, but it essentially takes your PowerPoint slide and converts each slide to a Flash movie. And so you're really using PowerPoint to create Flash movies. Now, one is you can create courses if you have a PowerPoint to Flash tool like Articulate Presenter. But the other thing that's really neat is if you go into the published folder, you can actually pull out the single Flash file. So for example, this is a published e-learning course. And so what I did is I went to the folder. There's a data folder. Inside that you'll have a Swift file, so that's your Flash file that's specific to each slide. So I found the slide, the Flash file for this particular slide, which we can see right here. And now I can pull that out. Now it's just a Flash file. It has the animation, the audio, and all that stuff. And then I can bring that into another tool. And in this case, I'm using Articulate Engage. But I created the Flash content here in PowerPoint. And then I just published the course and pulled the Flash file out, and then I inserted that into the Engage interaction. So anything that can take a Flash file, you can then use those Flash files in that. Quizmaker, Engage, other tools that that allow you to insert Flash web pages, you can put the Flash file on there. So PowerPoint doesn't just become a way to create your PowerPoint to Flash e-learning. It really becomes a way for you to create Flash files. So you don't need to worry about the course part of it. You can just create your content on a slide, publish that slide, and then pull out the Flash file and then use that Flash file anywhere you want to. So it's really pretty neat, and a lot of neat things that you can do with that. In a lot of ways, a lot easier to work with it that way than it is actually work with those simple things in Flash.